PocketGuard Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to PocketGuard and alternative financial tools are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. PocketGuard is a budgeting app designed to simplify personal finance by showing users exactly how much disposable income they have after covering bills, savings, and essential expenses. It connects to bank accounts, credit cards, and loans to track income and spending in real time. The standout feature is the In My Pocket calculation, which subtracts recurring expenses and savings goals from available funds, helping users avoid overspending. Other key features include automatic transaction, custom spending limits, debt payoff tracking, and subscription management. PocketGuard is best suited for individuals who want a straightforward, automated way to manage their budget without manually tracking every expense. It's especially useful for those who struggle with overspending or need help prioritizing savings. Unlike more detailed budgeting apps like YNAB, which require active financial planning, PocketGuard focuses on giving users a quick, at-a-glance view of their spending power. Its biggest strengths include automation, ease of use, and proactive spending insights. The app helps users identify unnecessary expenses, such as forgotten subscriptions, and provides smart recommendations for saving money. It also includes a debt payoff planner, which allows users to create a structured plan for reducing liabilities over time. Additionally, PocketGuard offers strong security using bank-level encryption to protect financial data. However, there are some drawbacks. While the free version covers basic budgeting, advanced features like custom categories, detailed spending reports, and the debt payoff planner require a paid subscription. Additionally, some users may find the automatic transaction categorization inaccurate, requiring manual adjustments. Unlike Personal Capital, PocketGuard lacks investment tracking, making it less suitable for those looking to monitor their net worth or retirement plans. Overall, PocketGuard is a great option for anyone who needs a simple, automated budgeting tool to prevent overspending. If you're looking for more hands-on budgeting with detailed financial planning, YNAB might be a better fit. And if investment tracking is your focus, Personal Capital would be the better choice. For more details, check out the links in the description.